If you've ever wondered how to stop manually accepting every single payment on Cash App, today's video is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you how to turn on the Auto Accept Payments feature and what to do if you don't see the option on your account. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share how to get Cash App support to enable it if it's missing. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. This is where all your account settings live. Now scroll down and select Security and Privacy. Here's the key step. You'll see an option called Auto Accept Payments. Simply toggle it on, and from now on, any money sent to you will automatically be added to your Cash App balance without you needing to manually accept it. But there's one catch. This feature only appears if you have a security lock and Cash App PIN set up. So if you don't see the option, don't panic, just go back and make sure you've enabled those security settings first. Still not showing up? Here's the fix, and scroll down in the same menu and tap Support, then select Contact Us. You'll be directed to the in-app support chat. Explain that your account doesn't show the Auto Accept feature, and they can help resolve the issue or enable it for your account. And that's it. With this quick setup, you'll save time and never miss a payment again. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Cash App tips. And don't forget to check the description for helpful links and resources.